Yo guys, what's going on? Monday86 here for the first time with my 2004 Toyota Sequoia. We're going to be doing an in-depth tour on this thing, see exactly what we got here. This is a 2004 Toyota Sequoia. It is the limited trim, so it comes with pretty much every option available. We're going to go ahead and show you the outside, take you on the inside, see exactly what we're working with here. I know the first thing everybody's looking at here on the front, we do have a V8 badge. So let's go ahead and pop the hood and see what we're working with. And here we are. We are looking at an iForce V8 4.7 liter, pushing 240 horsepower with 315 foot-pounds of torque. As you can tell, the engine bay is dirty. We will be getting to that eventually. As you can see, it's a whole lot of motor. Super easy to work on. We have all the coil packs that are visible right there. So changing spark plugs and coil packs, super easy maintenance. You can see everything on this side as well. Coil pack, spark plugs, no problem. Just an overall nice engine, very easy to work on. Everything up front, changing radiators should be simple. That comes to it, belts, fans, everything's right up front. Super easy to work on. All right, now that you've seen the engine, let's go to the interior. Here we are at the driver's seat, where most of the wear and tear is at. I have not detailed this vehicle at all. Bought it from the original owner. As you can tell, we can come over here. Here is the driver's seat. As it's super problematic, happens with every Sequoia around this year. This piece of plastic just breaks off, the clips come off. Underneath the seat cover, you know, we do have rips in the leather here. The seat back seems to be all right, a little bit of wear but no tear. Have these seat covers on it for now. This limited trim does come with this hammered silver on a lot of the bezels, around the controls, around the four-wheel drive shifter, over here on all your controls on the door. Every door panel has this hammered silver. Looks pretty good. The interior does need a super detail. I'm going to get in here, clean everything up. You can tell there's just stuff everywhere. The original owner used it. They maintenanced everything, but as far as the interior, not super detail oriented. Let's go over here. You can see the floor mats. They're just dirty. Along with this side over here, it's just needs to be overall just clean. You know, the carpet needs to be steam cleaned or shampooed. Here is the sunroof. Nice big sunroof. Sunroof has two options on it. So it has a tilt option. As you can see, it tilts up. Also has a slide option. Sunroof will slide all the way back. Nice massive sunroof. Love it. Nice smooth operation here. Just make sure all your tracks are greased. Should be good. We do have all the steering wheel controls here to control the radio, and you can tell we gotta clean that as well. Just where everybody's hands have touched it. Just use the vehicle. Steering wheel, that seems to be in great shape, just, you know, where everybody's touched it. Does have the AC 115 volt little option there, so that's cool. We do have the rear window, should slide up and down. I have to look into it. I believe I got to take the cover off and tap the rear motor. Probably hasn't been used in such time. I know you can reset the switch by holding it for 10 to 15 seconds. That's just something we'll look into in the future. Here is the passenger side. Not as much wear, but we do have a A couple little common issues here. I believe this piece just has to be clicked back in. Seat bottoms do have some wear, but not ripped. The seat backs look alright. There's that format that's seen better days. But we do have the heated seats in here, which is a very nice option. We got this center console here. It's like a two-part. You can flip this top part up. Has a little clipboard here, so you can put all your important paperwork in it. You know, right here. And this is where we have the DVD player option, and we have the remote for it. So yeah, you can tell everything needs to be cleaned out. It's not my style. I have to clean everything, super clean it, but everything works, everything operates, nothing's broken. Here's all the controls. Looks great. There you go. This brings us to the middle seat. As you can tell, there's a lot of room in here. You just step in here super easy. Here's the overhead console for the passengers in the middle. As you can tell, here is their DVD system. It needs to be cleaned really bad. Just, you can see up here. Haven't even tried it out. Hopefully it still works. We have AC for the passengers in the middle. And this brings us back here to the back. AC for the rear. This is the third row seating in the back. That leather seems to be in good shape. I don't think anybody hardly sat back there. Unfortunately, I think people and heavy objects and things were put in these middle seats. Super heavy wear on there. You can tell the leather isn't cracked, but you can just see where it's worn down. We have a couple rips in the seat here. It does have the option for this armrest to come out, so if nobody's sitting in there, it just grosses me out. But there is potential in this vehicle. There is a lot of potential. Everything is here, everything works. We just need to find, we'll try to locate some seats, or maybe an option of getting them recovered. We'll go ahead and look into that. With the operation here of the handle, the seat does flip forward, and this is how you get in the back seat. Goes the same for this seat right here. It has a handle over there. You just push it forward. This is where all your spare tire stuff is in here, your jack and everything it is to change your tire. There we go. This brings us to the rear of the vehicle. Go ahead, just open this up. Got some stuff in the back. Just a bunch of junk everywhere. Look, they had a dog. There's dog hair everywhere. But under here is exactly what the carpet's supposed to look like. Not this. Here we got these cool options on the seat here. Just put that handle. This oh, hold on a second. There is operations on the back here, so if you want to fold the seat up, looks like, just press that button there, and the seats just go up. So let's go ahead and fold it down. There's this lever. You got plenty of room in the back. So if you got groceries, want to throw your bike back here, plenty of room. And the third row has all these compartments back here, cup holders, etc. Seat belts. You can put a third passenger in the rear, have their own drop-down seat belt. This does kind of hang. I've tried to look at pictures online to see if this if this goes up here somehow, or I don't know, stays out of the way or something. I haven't really found anything, so it kind of just hangs there. It's kind of annoying. If anybody knows anything about this, or How's it supposed to clip in? Oh, maybe you almost got it. I don't know. But yeah, super easy. If you want to bring the seats back, just snap, just lock right in. Awesome, love it. This does have a nice handle right here for the hatch. Short people, they designed this specifically for you. So you just want to pull the hatch down. There you go. You know, no video is complete without hearing the engine run. It's hard to hear the engine. All you can hear is that big old fan running. Let's take a walk around the outside. As you can see, it's a 16-year-old vehicle. Has its typical paint fading. The roof seems to be fine. The plastics though, like the spoiler, probably end up taking this off, sanding it down, repainting it right here along with these rear pillars, which are extremely hot in the Florida sun. We'll take those off, paint them. Has a little bit of little fading right here. It has a little bit of clear coat coming off. I think we'll be able to just sand this down right here, maybe put some paint over it and buff it. We should be able to fade that into it. Should look good. Some of this trim back here, it's showing chrome, so we'll go ahead and paint that as well. The original owner of this vehicle did have a couple little minor bumper dings on it right here. Vehicle is kind of long, backing out of the driveway a couple times. They hit their neighbor's vehicle twice in the same spot. I went ahead and got a bumper cover for it. I'll be switching that out here soon. We'll just keep walking. You see it has the limited badge there. It's got really nice wheels and tires on it. Still need to be washed. No real major body damage, just a couple door dings here and there. Paintless dent repair, we should be able to get that fixed. Let's keep walking around. Back up a little bit. As you can see, it's in overall great shape. 16-year-old vehicle. Just a nice, sporty looking Toyota Sequoia here. There we go. We're not going to beat on it super bad here. We're going to go ahead and we're just going to get it on a little bit. Plenty for me. Plenty for me, guys. I love it. All right, you guys. Hope you enjoyed my new to me 2004 Toyota Sequoia. And as always, Monday to 6. Out.